I'm Zero Kazama. This is not a game show. This is Silent Library.
Meet the players. Louie. Mike. Dennis. Dion. Corey. And Ivan. 6 friends, 1 team, playing for thousands of dollars in cash. The players draw cards, and the one who gets the skull and crossbones must endure an unusual punishment. If he completes the challenge, the team wins money. But if he fails, or if his teammates make too much noise, they kiss it goodbye.
Round 1. Each challenge is worth $300. Of most importance, silence. Begin.
The contestant must allow his teammate to smack him with an elastic karate belt.
You showed courage, but your friends showed disrespect. You lose.
Ivan went through all that for nothing. The team's total remains at $0. The contestant must stand between 2 swordsmen and suffer the consequences.
You survived and succeeded.
Corey stuck out the win. The guys are now on the board with $300. The contestant must allow a mechanical leg to kick him in the crotch 3 times.
Your pain had purpose. You get the cash.
Louis' pain is the team's gain. They double their total and prep for round 2 with $600.
Round 2. The challenges are worth $400. And respect the following word. Silence. Continue.
The contestant must allow a soccer player to kick balls off his body for 20 seconds.
Pain, humiliation, and success.
Dennis scores a goal for the guys. $400 are added as the winning streak continues. The contestant must allow a pair of giant tipping birds to peck his body for 20 seconds.
I see no reason to punish you further. You pass.
Corey got pecked, so the team gets paid. Their total rises to $1,400. The contestant has 30 seconds to eat a stranger's seaweed mullet.
That turned my stomach. Fail.
Dennis couldn't finish the party in the back. The guys lose, keeping their total at $1,400.
Round 3. Everything is now worth double. $800. So remember, silence. Continue.
The contestant must give himself a wedgie with a device that lifts his underwear with each step.
Your ordeal ends in victory.
Ivan gives the guys a lift. They add $800 for a total of $2,200. While dressed like a mouse, the contestant has 30 seconds to crawl across a sticky glue trap and take a bite of cheese.
That was a mess. In a good way. The money's yours.
Dion's cheesy win is good for another $800. The total rises to $3,000. The contestant must vacuum a row of tennis balls as they hit him in the crotch.
You were brave, but your friends screamed like monkeys. You fail.
Mike's teammates lost it, so they lose the challenge too. The total stays put at $3,000.
Final round. Only one challenge worth $1,000. But do not fail to keep in mind, silence. Finish the game.
In this challenge, 5 contestants must endure the punishment, and only one teammate is safe. All 5 contestants must have adhesive name tags ripped off their chests.
Your torment yields profit. You win.
The guys take home the big money challenge. They end the day with a grand total of $4,000. Congratulations, guys! You survived Silent Library, and you won some cash, $667 per player. Not bad for a day at the library.